Welcome back in Sant'Agata Bolognese. As you can see, today will be a little bit of a different experience thanks to all the fog we have here. Now the question is, will I be able to see the cars getting out from the factory? Ha, I guess only time will tell. But for the time being, first Lambo of the day. There is quite a lot of fog here, straight out of a movie. Hey, another Urus SE. Interesting spec. First Revuelto. V12 startup! Oh, come on, another Urus SE! Matte blue. Let's go, first Temerario! Okay, a very quiet matte blue Alleggerita. Hey, nice downshift on the Urus SE. Well, that guys looks like a green Temerario. Yes, indeed, and it's way louder than the other one. Ooh, another Urus SE. Nothing too special, come on. Pretty loud Temerario incoming. Alright, full white spec. Hybrid V12 time. Another Urus. Hey. Oh, finally a prototype! It's been months since the last one. Very interesting. This should be the Urus SE Performante, even if I'm not really sure on the naming yet. Hey, there is a bold Urus! Yeah, way too quiet, but at least we got a friendly driver. Take a listen, guys. Yes, loud Temerario. quick sound check for you all, very nice. Ah, oh, come on, yet another Urus. Oh! That was loud, yes, also interesting spec. Alright, another Temerario. I'm sorry for the loud noise here. Yeah, big truck. Wow, beautiful spec. Hybrid V8 incoming here. Oh yeah. Let's go! Nicely done. Oh, finally, it's been a couple hours since the last Revuelto. Alright, not the worst spec here. Orange details over the matte black body. Yet another hybrid one. Oh wait, this kind of rear protection wrap is very unusual. What are they trying to hide here? Hey, Urus is back! Temerario Alleggerita! Nice! Check it out! Hell yeah, the Urus SE Performante prototype! That sounds like a Temerario! What? The hell was that? Yes, big up to the test driver. Wave.